What's the meaning of bucket seat? Bucket seat. Bucket seat.
Bucket seat. Bucket seat. A bucket seat is a type of car seat that is designed to hold the driver or passenger securely in place during fast and aggressive driving maneuvers. The seat typically has higher side bolsters and a more contoured shape than a standard car seat, providing a snug fit for the rider. The bucket design takes its name from the shape of the seat, which resembles an inverted bucket. These seats are commonly found in sports cars and other high-performance vehicles, where the driver requires maximum support and control while driving at high speeds. Overall, bucket seats enhance the driving experience by improving comfort, safety, and control.